What is going on, guys? Welcome back into a brand new video here on my channel. So my last video was a full day in the life of an 18-year-old entrepreneur, and in that video I showed you how a typical Monday looks like for me, and I showed you everything on what I do as soon as I wake up till the moment that I go back to bed. And when that video went live, I got a lot of questions about how I make my money, what services do I provide, and also how can you guys start up with this process? How can you do the same thing that I'm doing right now to make money online? So I thought I'll make a video showing you how I got started as a freelancer, where do I find my clients, and also do I recommend freelancing to you. But before jumping to that video, if you are new in the channel, my name is Gessi. I'm an 18-year-old college marketing student studying here in Barcelona, Spain. Here on YouTube, I upload videos all about improving life and also documented the process of doing so. So if you like what you are seeing, please consider subscribing. Other than my YouTube channel, I'm also a freelancer and I provide social media services and also video production services. So if you ever need help with your business, please feel free to contact me, and let's get straight into today's video. Alright, so doing freelance work is my main income right now. I've been doing it for the past 5 years, but actually in 2018 was the time when I really took it seriously. So I'm gonna share you a little bit how I got started and maybe how you can get started as well. In 2014, 2015 is the time when I really got started with freelance work, and I was actually making YouTube videos then. I was doing at about 5 to 10 videos each month, but I wasn't really making money. So I thought I'll try freelancing. So I started doing logos, banners, YouTube banners, Twitter banners, and also Twitch stuff, like headers, webcam overlays and things like that. I don't really remember the names right now because I'm not doing graphic design anymore, but I started doing that, and my main way of getting people was Twitter. So I just went to Twitter and I searched about I need a logo, and a lot of people came up with it, but I didn't really like it. I'll explain it later on in this video. So I did that. I created like a little portfolio of mine. In this time, I was doing social media work, mainly graphic design work, and I was making a few bucks each month. I mean like 100, 200 per month. So that was good. But I mean, I wasn't really enjoying doing all of this work for so little money. And all the people that I were talking to, they either wanted stuff for free or they were no like business people. So didn't really like it. And I jumped into a new platform called Fiverr.com. So on Fiverr.com, I started uploading a few gigs, and I think I was doing intros, outros, then logos, banners, all about social media. So I got a few sales there, but after a few months, I stopped taking orders on Fiverr.com because Fiverr.com is really a website where you pay someone $5 to get something done. I mean, I wasn't making that much money, so I decided to not continue graphic design anymore, and then I was focusing on YouTube more. Later on, I found about social media management, and that really looked to me super easy to do because all I had to do is to contact some restaurant, bars, gyms in my local area, tell them that I wanted to manage their social media, so they would just send me pictures. I would upload them every day, put like a little caption on it, reply to messages, reply to comments, and that would be. So that started super easy. In my first months, I got 2 clients. They were both 2 restaurants in my local area, and I was charging them 100 euros per month. I was doing so little work with just 2 restaurants, and it would take me 5 minutes for each one. So it means 10 minutes every day with doing so little work. I was making way more money than before. Before I was doing so much work with graphic design and not really making that much money. So after that, I was still uploading YouTube videos. And in 2018, it's when really I thought to myself that it's been a few years that I edit videos. Why not edit it professionally? I mean, why not have clients that pay me to edit their videos? These videos include YouTube videos, conference videos, and so much more, promotional videos as well, that I shoot myself and edit as well. So this is the time when I got started on a new platform called Upwork.com. For me, it's the best website ever because whatever skill you have, I mean, it doesn't even have to be a high income skill. Whatever skill you have, you can just go in the search bar of Upwork.com, search about it, and there will be like thousands of job posts every minute. So that's super insane, sounded super crazy to me. Went in YouTube, watched a few videos about it, so I get to know more Upwork, and then I went to Upwork.com, created my profile, and then started finding people. After about 3 to 4 days, I found my first client, and he wanted me to edit a few videos for him. Those videos were conference videos that he shot in a business meeting. I just had to merge some little clips together to create the final video. For me, it was super easy. I got paid 600 euros for 4 videos, which sounded crazy to me because I only worked 2 days. For 4 videos, I made 600 euros in 2 days. And I mean, I got over the moon. So I was super happy for it, and I pursued doing work on Upwork.com. The reason I love this platform is because everyone there, every job that's posted comes from business people, comes from big companies, even small ones, but comes from big companies, business people that really want to pay you to do their business because they don't have time. And another thing which I really love is that those people, I mean, they don't want the best service ever. They want you to do their work because they don't have time for it. I mean, even if you are not highly skilled, you can still start with Upwork, and then you can do your first video, or you can do your first graphic design work, and you can do your first copywriting work, and then build on, and then create your personal website, which I did on my own. Create a personal website, put there all the brands you've worked with, and also a few videos or photos or everything that you've done, showing like your little work portfolio so more companies can reach you. So this is the best website where you can find clients. I really recommend it, and I'm super happy to work on this website. Alright, so last part of this video, do I really recommend starting on as a freelancer? So short answer for that is yes, if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, and no, if you want to do bigger things. So what I mean by that, I'm going to give you a pro and a con starting off as a freelancer. So a pro is that you set your price. The only thing that I do really is contact the companies, and if I find out that those companies have lots of employees, I'm going to set a higher price. And if I find out that those companies have only 1 employee or 2 to 10 employees, means small businesses, I'm going to set a lower price. So I've got my price on my hands. I set my own price. And if the company doesn't want my price, I mean, I can move on into another company, or we can set the price. So one pro of freelance work is that you can set your own price. I mean, if you go to a 9-to-5 job, you may get paid 1,500 to 2,000 euros per month. But if you find one client and you may do one video for them, you may get paid 1,000 euros in just one day. So just really think about it. It's super easy to set your price with freelance work. And I think I'm going to do a video on how to find out if companies are big or small, and also how to set your price. But a pro on freelance work is you set your price. Super important. Alright, just to wrap this video off, I'm going to give you the main con of doing freelance work. Because think about it, all you're doing is you're trading your time for money. That means if a big company doesn't have time to do something, they will pay you so you can do that for that. All you're doing right now is you're trading time for money. So if you want to quit your 9-to-5 job, if you want to make 5,000 euros per month, alright, go ahead, start with freelance work. But if you want to make way more, you need to create a team. You need to build a team. You need to build an agency so you can provide more services. And by building an agency, you're going to have more team members so they can do the work, and you can just do the outreach. You can just go and look for new clients while your teammates are doing all the work. Like that, you're going to earn way more money. And I mean, not only you're quitting your 9-to-5 job, but you are earning way more money. So this was all about this video. If you really enjoyed, make sure to leave a like. If you want me to make a more specific videos in each of these topics that I talked about today, please let me know down below in the comments. And if you are new on this channel, if you enjoyed what you saw, please make sure to subscribe down below. I'm trying to put a video out every week, and after that I'll do my best to upload 2 videos every week. So I'm just trying to manage time right now between doing uni work, YouTube videos, and also my freelance job. As I've said before, I am currently transitioning from a freelancer to an agency. If you want to see a video about that, please let me know down below. That video may come out in January or in February. So, because that takes time a lot. I mean, you are starting a new business. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. And yeah, see you.